Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel EE. If you click on subscribe here to subscribe. I'm glad now I'll make a nice motif for you. Again in 1 EE square 1 model blankets in carpets. You can use in sweaters. Nice model. EE cotton pipe. My 3.5 millimeters. Like this. Let's start now if you want. We draw 6 chains 1, 2, 3, 4. Baixa alta. Into the first chain. I'm entering. I create 1 ring. I pull 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and into the ring. We are doing double trabzan. 1 chain. Back into the ring. 1 trabzan. 1 chain. One trabzan. We will make 8 trabzan in total. When we count that 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six. Well 2. Ve8. I'm pulling 1 chain again. 1, 2 from here by sinking into the second chain. I combine. Now we just carry our rope into the first void. We draw 3 chains. I filled my knot 1 time. I took 1, I filled it again, I took the second one. I close them all together in 1, 2, 3 chains. I repeat the same process now. 1, 2, 2, 3. All together. I pulled my last 2 hands together again. 2 chains. I filled 1 and went to the next space 1.
I filled 1 and went to the next space 1.
2. 3. I collected all the loops. I collected the last 2 stitches together again. 1, 2. Now to the next. We are making 2 corners here.
We are making 2 corners here.
We are creating now we will make 2. I wrapped it 3 times. I took the 2 of them together. 1, 2, 3 chain. Back to the same place 1. 2. 3. Pulling all the apples. I'm shooting the last 2 together again. 2 chains now we make 1. 1. 2. 3. I collected the 2 of them together 2 chains. We make 2 again in the next space. 1, 2, 3 chain. Back to the same nest. I'm doing the second. I shoot them all together. Look, these are the corners. 2 places we made, sorry. 2 peanuts. The places we make are peanuts, I call them. First corner, second corner, third corner. Now 2 chains again 1. 2, 3. We make 2 chains in fourth corner here 1, 2, 3. 3 chains in between. 1. 2, 3.
2, 3. 2, 3.
We close. 2 chains yes here 1, 1. 2, 3. 1, 2 chain yes. To the top of the first peanut we made in the beginning. We enter. We combine. Now back here. Sliding my rope into the void. 1, 2. I'm pulling 3 chains, look, this is where I call the corner. And into here. I made 1 trabzan after the chain. I'm pulling 2 chains. Then back in the same space. I'm making 2 more trabzan. Sinking on top of 1 peanut. Sinking into 2 spaces. We are doing trabzan. I'm sinking 1 here again. Sinking into 2 voids. Now back on the peanut. 1 trabzan. And 2 in the gap. I came to the other corner like this. From this corner to here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. We must have trabzan. Now I pull 2 chains. Again. 1. 2. 1 here. 2 in the gap. 1 on the peanut again. 2 into the gap. 1 again on the peanut. Look again, I came to the corner, I have 2 peanuts here. Space 1. 2. Let's count 2, 4. We have 6, 8, 10, 11 trabzan here too. Now 2 chains. Let's complete the other 2 corners. Yes, I came to the starting point, look now. Here. We pulled 3 chains. To the top of the chain. We are sliding our rope together again. Now I carry my rope to the corner again like this. One, 2, 3, 4 chains. 1 piece. Duo trabzan. 2 chains. Sinking to the same point again. 1 double trabzan. 1 chain and again. 1 double trabzan. We fill our knot. 1, 2, 3, 3. Vine. 1 trabzan. 1 chain. Again 1 trabzan. 1, 2, 3. 1 handrail 1 chain. Again 1 trabzan. 1, 2, 3. 1 trabzan 1 chain and 1 trabzan again. Now we come to the corner into the corner space. We do the same process here 2 times 1 chain. 1 trabzan. Let's draw 1, 2, 3 chains. Again. 1 trabzan 1 chain and 1 trabzan. Yes, here now. We complete the other corners as we do. Coming to the starting point. Yes, I completed this order too. Now we reunite. 1, 2. Yes, I combined it like this again. So from here we carry our rope into the void. I pulled 1, 2, 3 chains and filled the knot 1 time. We will make peanuts in the same space again, C1. 2 here. I wrap it 2 times because I went up with the chain. Now 2 chains. This is the middle of our corner. We make 2 peanuts here. 1, 2, 3. I'm collecting all the loops again, these are the last 2. I bought 2 together except for 1 loop. 1, 2, 3 chains. The same way again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, now we are pulling 2 chains. So I call them vis-a-vis here. We make 1 peanut for each of the gaps. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains again. We are doing it here, not these days. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I'm in the corner again. We are pulling 2 chains again. We make 2 here. 1, 2, 3 chain. We make 2 in the same space. Now I'm doing the second one. We close this 2 and 2 chains. We turn the corner here again. We're coming into V's. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains again. 1, 2 ve 3. Yes, this way. We complete now. This is the way I showed. To the starting point. Let's come. Yes, to the starting point. I knitted the same way. Now I'm pulling 2 chains and combining. We are sinking to the peak. Let's combine it like this. I immediately pulled 1, 2, 3 chains from where we combined them. V. I'm making 2 trabzan by sinking into the void now. One trabzan by sinking on the top of the peanut. Now look, I'm in the corner. I came into the corner space. 2 trabzan. 2 chains. Back to the same nest. 1, so 2 trabzan to the same space. We will travel as a complete trabzan. 1 on the peanuts. We make 2 spaces. 1 here. 2 here. 1 trabzan. 2 in the gap. This way around. We're wandering around. This is our last row at the same time. 1, 2. Again 1. 2, 1, 2, 1 shaped. I came to the other corner. Look, when I came to the corner again. We make 1 by sinking on the peanut here. Then into the corner gap. 2 trabzan. 2 chains. We turn this way now. I'm making 2 more handrails in the same space. Yes, now again. I continue the same way. We complete the corners, we come to the starting point. Yes, I finished. Now we are sinking into the first trabzan hill and combining. This way. I swipe my rope together by pulling one chain. We can cut it now by making motifs like this. We want to combine. We can knit the product guys like this. We can iron by giving light steam. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like my video if you like it. You want to ask? If something happens, you can write to me in the comments. Thank you for now. In more beautiful models, I say goodbye.